Please, I am only requesting this matter, be set aside. If she wants mutual divorce without any condition terms in Mumbai, I am ready to file mutual consent divorce. But she has filed so many.
Think over it.
The provision is that I can file divorce from my hometown. Then why Mumbai? The marriage took place in Raipur.
Now she wants to file in Chhattisgarh. She wants me to come here and she wants to like.
Oh, do you want divorce or you want a litigation? You get it?
Her sister Parul Mathur, she cannot put me into lockup without any. I have made a complaint against that. So was studying in Bilaspur. She has a different boyfriend. Then she came to Delhi. She stayed with me. Now in Bombay she wants third person. My lord, we are telling Muslims that 3 talaq band karo. हिंदुओं की लड़कियां my lord 3 शादियां कर रही हैं. Even approach her. From 2015, I am going police station. My house, NBWs are going. My mother has been picked. My father was serving in the protocol duties of the High Court judges of Madhya Pradesh, and he was picked up just because of her FIR. He didn't get promoted of his retirement. My mother is facing trial just because of her influence. Nothing else we are getting from her. This marriage we made. I was being portrayed like I'm running away from this court. There was a difficulty which I was facing. So today, yes, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, I just want to assist this court that the last time on 13th of December, I was supposed to come this before. I have moved even IA before this honorable court. My lord, may kindly come to page number 9 of the IA.
Page number?
9 of the IA. My lord, this was the order which was passed for me to appear on 5th of December. Then my lord may come to page number 10, next very page. Then my lord, on 10th of December, 6th of December.
13, 12.
13, 12. My lord, I will come, the order is on the IA also, I have annexed. It is on page number 13 of the IA, the order of 13 December I have annexed. In the IA.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, on 5th of December, my presence was directed to appear. Accordingly, as per page number 10 of the IA. My lord is on the IA?
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Page number 10 of the IA. Kindly see the booking date. I booked my ticket on 6th of December, very next date when the order was passed. And not only for the coming to Bilaspur, but also as well on page number 12, if my lord may see, the tickets were for coming and going both. But on page number 11, if my lord may come, my lord, there is a chart prepared and there is a date and time written. 12th of December 2023, 9:47, when the chart gets prepared 4 hours before the train. My train was of 1 o'clock. So this chart prepared and my ticket didn't get confirmed. The same I tried to call my wife on the number which is reflected on page number 15 of the IA. My lord may come to page number 15 of the IA. This is from the High Court website, the information, page number 15. I tried to call on this number to inform her as per this number. This is her number and this is the detail which she has given before the family court of Raipur, telling that she is a resident of Raipur. Then on 17th January, page number 16th of this honorable court, she admit herself that further states that she does not receive any communication from the appellant as she has blocked the email or other communication mode to the appellant in view of earlier harassment. My lord, there is a very famous legal maxim, Nullis commodum capere protect de injuria superiorio, which says no man can take advantage of his own wrong. When she herself has blocked me, I cannot communicate. Then the 13th of December order says I could have.
That is your problem. How
No,
to get come?
No, my lord.
Should we make the railways a party in this?
My lord,
because of
today also there are tracks.
Could not come.
So my lord, that's the other thing which I am showing, that she is the resident of Raipur. She has we both are living in Mumbai. As per things, since 2016, we are practicing in Mumbai. Then we could have done litigation in Mumbai as well. Why we both have to come from Mumbai here? Today my flight is also booked Page number 17 is my flight ticket. My lord may kindly see. She also came from Mumbai. So why we both are suffering for this? She can file matters in Bombay. She don't want to, she want to harass me. She has filed 3 FIRs against me. All 3 are pending. On these 3 FIRs, she has said that I have harassed her. Where is the question of...
Is there any chances of any reconciliation in either way?
Any father,
The
father and husband always wants to live together happily. We are always trying our best. कोई भी पति और कोई भी पिता अपनी बीवी को दुखी या बच्चों को दुखी नहीं करना चाहता. I have did my best. मैंने पूरा 3 साल.
What you say?
Education.
So if you will allow me, I can talk. We are not staying together since the past 8 years, and I cannot go back in this marriage. I want divorce only, sir. I am very clear.
So why not-
And in the past, he has also multiple times agreed for a mutual divorce, but always backed off. But I have been clear since day one that I want divorce. And we have been separated since 8 years. There is no communication. We have not even stayed once together after the separation. We separated in December 2015, and since that, it's been 8 years, sir, since the case is going on. He's only been using delay tactics. The FIR 498 is still going on. The other FIR has been withdrawn by me because it was decided that after the first motion I will withdraw. And for the 498, it was decided that after the second motion I will withdraw. But he never cooperated for the second motion, and that's why 498 is still there. Apart from that, sir, there is no other FIR. And I cannot go back I have given him enough chances, I have given him enough benefit of doubt, benefit of time. And at this point of time, I have lost 8 years
Both
of my
you
life.
cannot live together. What is the point in
My lord,
carrying
she
this?
never walked out of my house saying she don't want to live with me. She walked out of my house saying she has got admission in Bombay. Now she is going for a further studies in Bombay. I can show that from her own
No, that's
family.
okay, that
Today
will
I don't want to
decide,
get into blame games, my lord. Today I am not going into this that she has done wrong or I have done wrong. Today I am only saying, my lord, may kindly just peruse your own court
There is
order.
no point in going round and round again the same thing. At this point of time, sir, what we need to do is the purpose of discussion. We cannot go round and
Twice
round.
there was a...
No,
twice
just a
there
second,
was
sir. This is my appeal. Either party of either wife can speak or her advocates can speak. Though wife and her advocate both are speaking.
No, it is a conciliation like proceeding.
My lord, conciliation-
We tried to,
my lord,
Only
conciliation-
thing we wanted to know whether you can go together, otherwise we'll decide the case on
My lord,
merit.
I
That's
was
all.
just impressed by my learned Justice Radhakrishnan sir's advice which was given. There is nothing called irreparable in the relationship scenes. She was the one where no, sir, on the last date of hearing, there was a husband-wife after our matter. So, sir has advised the husband who was not willing to stay with the husband.
Precedent.
So, I
Citing the precedent.
No, that is not the precedent, but that is the impressing position. There cannot be 2 different parameters for husband and wife. 2 different parameters cannot be
Can't
adopted.
force her. We can't force.
No, I'm not forcing her. I'm not getting into her. Today, I even don't want to talk about her. I just want to talk about the judge who has conducted my trial. And that's why I've given 2 orders. My lord, may kindly come to page number 66 along with that order which I have provided to the court. Page number 66 of my appeal along with the order. My lord has the order.
The fact is, the conciliation is not possible.
My lord, just a second. If, my
I
lord,
will not go by this.
My lord, you are-
What we ask you, please answer it. Okay.
yes, my lord.
Now today you were called just whether there is a conciliation, since it was said that both of you
My
wanted
lord, I have
a
agreed.
mutual divorce. Will not go into
My
this.
lord, we have agreed in 2018, not today. 2018, we agreed. I gave my affidavit also. I gave my statement also for the first motion. After coming out from the family court, after my statement, her advocate and she started laughing, and the court was about to discharge me from 498A. They says, don't discharge. We will see in the high court. We will file quashing and all this in the high court. Till 2024, I am visiting 3 states, different in a month. One Delhi, one Bombay, one in Chhattisgarh. I am facing now these type of harassments, and now she says that she is getting harassed. If she wanted divorce, she could have given a consent in the court. Okay, I would have given my second affidavit. Motion would have over, and that can be done in Mumbai. Why we are coming to Chhattisgarh? If she is in Mumbai, I am in Mumbai. What we are in Chhattisgarh is standing in. She herself has filed family court Raipur, and that's why this appeal is lying before this court. I have no house in this, no relative in this. This is my 3rd visit. First time I came for the wedding. Second time I come for the mediation, and third I am coming from my appeal. There is no other point of coming me to Chhattisgarh for these matters. Nobody wants. कौन सा husband नहीं है? मैं सुबह से लेके शाम तक. She has without merit stayed with me for 1 year before the marriage. After marriage, she got admission in Bombay. From Bombay, she says, now I don't want to continue with the marriage. I can show when she left my house, she has written emails, I love you, I love you. She logged out log into my emails and she did everything. My lord, this is not the first girl in the country or in the world who has blocked his husband. Even with any girl who break up with his boyfriend, she blocks, first thing she do, she change her number or she change the SIM blocks. And they put allegation on the husbands. I was patient. I didn't instructed my advocate. Even today, I don't wanted to get into allegation. I just wanted to come into this order, which prevented me to enter into the family court Raipur. And this is the honorable High Court orders. How can a district court or family court advocate judge violate the SOP of the High Court? That is only my contention. Nothing more, nothing less. I am not getting into what my wife did, what my learned friend did, or what I did. I am only focusing on the SOP order of 5th April, which I just gave. Just read with me, bear with me, 30 seconds, not more than whatever.
Please, continue.
Yes, my lord, may come to page number 66.
Page number?
66 of the appeal, paper book.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, for the grounds, I have prepared a chart for this honorable court to assist. My lord can see this?
Yes.
My lord can now come to this order, which I have just handed over to the court.
Yes, please.
My lord, in this, I have written one date, 12th of July 2021. My lord can see? So, my lord, that order is on page number 88 of the paper book. Kindly come to the page number of 88 of the paper book. My lord is on the page number 88 of the paper book.
Yes.
My lord, I am reading the order of the Honorable Family Court, where my lord, kindly see, where he himself says, माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के आदेश क्रमांक. My lord, this is the copy of the order which I have circulated to this Honorable Court just now. दिनांक 5 अप्रैल 2021 के अनुपालन में वैश्विक कोरोना वायरस के प्रसार एवं संक्रमण रोकथाम हेतु निवारण प्रकरण की सुनवाई के दृष्टिगत प्रकरण में तिथि प्रदान की गई. तो मीन्स till 12th of July, whatever happens was against this order. So my lord, kindly come to chart again, page number 66. So my lord, this SOP was issued on 5th of April. So 29th April date goes away. 18 June date goes away. And 12th of July dates goes away. These three, as per his own page number 88 order, he admit the position that there is a SOP running. So all the hearings or the whatever he conducted was violation of this High Court order. Family Court has conducted in the violation of SOP. And my lord, may kindly see, there is a specific column number 5 in the order. What type of matter can be taken up during the COVID SOP for the subordinate courts? Matter, the following type of cases shall be taken up for hearing during the above restricted functioning of the court. First, remand matters. Second, bail matters. Third, superdana matters. Appeal and revision, both civil and criminal. Fifth, matters relating to under trial prisoners. Sixth, cases pending for more than 5 years. Now, I put question to myself, in which category my case was? Family court matter, which category was it? It was none of the category. So all these three matters, just because her sister was a SP in that city and she could influence the judge, these matter was getting listed and hearing, and how he has conducted this matter on telephone. I have first ever these order. My lord, can see the order of 18 June. Means she requested the judge, so judge violated the High Court order. What the order says? एक आवेदन अधिवक्ता के पी शर्मा मोबाइल नंबर दिस ने शीघ्र सुनवाई का पेश कर इस आशय से निवेदन किया कि आवेदिता शीघ्र सुनवाई चाहती है, आवेदिका शीघ्र सुनवाई चाहती है. So my lord's order is not important. Her order is important to the family court. एक आवेदन द्वारा आशय का प्रस्तुत किया गया कि आने तक यशवर्धन तिवारी this. So as per this, I was sent a notice. So my lord, may kindly see, when there is a SOP, nothing could have been done. And this was not in the category of urgent matter. First listing is in family courts are only for counseling. where the husband and wife both are, that is mandatory provision as per section 9 of the Family Court Acts. And rule says so that the first you go to the counseling and then come to the court. My counseling was notice never came to me. I was prevented by the SOP. And then, my lord, kindly, sorry, my lord. On which page, my lord, sir?
Please continue.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, then, my lord, may kindly come to page number 66 again. So now, my lord, the family court judge himself has agreed that 12th of July, till 12th of July, there was a SOP from 5th of April. So all these dates from 29th April, 18 June, these kindly mark a cross on that. Then we can go to 3rd of August date. My lord is on page number 66. So my lord, in these 3 dates, nothing could have been done as per the SOP. The judge himself on the page number 88 admitted it his position that he couldn't do anything. So my lord, on 3rd of August, kindly see the 3rd of August order. This was date given by the reader, not by the judge. Judge himself was on leave on 3rd of August. The order is on page number 88, last line. Then he comes on 7th of August and he declared that the matter is ex parte. So, my lord, on page number 66 comes kindly again.
You have seen.
My lord, I am saying all the above 4 dates has gone. Nothing could be done. I was prevented from SOP. No litigant can come. Trains were not available. Nobody can enter in the court. My matter, as per the SOP, was not in the category list where the matter can be get listed. It was not in the urgent hearing as per the order of this honorable court only. I am not saying anybody. I am not putting allegation on my wife, anybody else. I am only saying that this order of 5th April of this honorable court for the subordinate courts was not followed during the conducting of these hearings from 29th April, 18 June, 12 July, 3rd August. And then again, 7th
After the ex parte, did you file any application?
My lord, what happened? I never, I should, then it will come again as an allegation. When I want to reconcile, I should not blame. I was very much harassed because her sister was SP Railway Raipur. So she picked me up and put it me. I don't want to get into that all. Today I just want to concentrate on law. Nothing else. So the law should survive, nothing else. She just
We'll continue. Today the bench is up till 3:20. 3:20.
kindly, I am only requesting this matter, be set aside. If she wants mutual divorce without any condition terms in Mumbai, I am ready to file mutual consent divorce. But she has filed so many.
Think over it.
That the provision is that I can file divorce from my hometown. Then why Mumbai? Sir, the marriage took place in Raipur.
Now she wants to file in Chhattisgarh. She wants me to come here and she wants to
Oh, do you want divorce or you want a litigation?
Sir, I want divorce only, sir. And if he is also
Why don't both of you sit and file an application at the 13th Mumbai Family Court?
And there are FIRs needs to be cautioned. My career is in stake.
Yes.
Sir, the one FIR which is pending was decided to be quashed only after the second motion of the divorce. He knows I will quash it, sir. That is why he is not cooperating. He himself is dealing. Sir, if he is also claiming he is ready for divorce, if I am also claiming I am ready for divorce,
We are asking, are you interested in litigation, or supposing we will record his statement here?
Yes.
Supposing if he gives an undertaking before the High Court.
She has already given my lord.
Just a minute. And if he backs out from it, then you can file a contempt here.
yes, sir, I
Not
am
so
ready
easy
for
that
divorce.
you make any statement before the High Court and go away, then you don't do it. You want
Sir,
a
I also
divorce,
want-
you got a
Having
divorce,
From day
What
one,
a
I want a
divorce?
divorce.
My lord, but
he's in appeal.
this has to set aside. I am only requesting this has to set aside.
You
only,
think over it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because my lord,
You get it?
her sister Parul Mathur, she cannot put me into lockup without any. I have made a complaint against that. So now she says that she conducted inquiry against her by DYSP. I can show that page. My lord is kindly come to in this only she has made in Boria Rehaganj police station. That is on the para number 8 of this
We'll continue then this hearing. Today the bench is over. Time
So,
is
my lord,
over.
if she is willing, she.
In the meanwhile, if you can both file, then you can inform
my
this
lord,
court.
I wanted to go in judiciary. She has spoiled my career. I can't now sit in the exams. I first firm question asked is whether you have any litigation or criminal antecedents. I have to write yes. So now my career she has spoiled. Long back in 2016, she didn't want it to stay. It was a love marriage from her proposal. It was not me. She stayed with me without marriage at my house for 1.5 years. It is not that she was married. She was studying in Bilaspur. She has a different boyfriend. Then she came to Delhi. She stayed with me. Now in Bombay, she wants third person. My lord, we are telling Muslims that 3 talaq band karo. Hinduओं की लड़कियां, my lord, 3 शादियां कर रही हैं.
Don't put on all
No,
this.
I'm not putting. She is putting on papers, documents, and police stations. What I'm saying.
Can he do character
Father
assassination?
was the Director General of Police, Rajiv Mathur.
What proposal has
He's doing character assassination now.
what proposal has been made for the mutual divorce? What my lord was suggesting that any date may be given, file the mutual divorce before this court, and thereafter this matter may be decided. Suppose if the mutual divorce would have been filed, but it could not be that this.
So far, to be frank enough, on the ex parte proceeding, this is not satisfying. The ex parte, the way it is proceeded.
So he is proposing.
He's
they
able
may
to,
make
to some extent, to that extent, he's
they may
able
make
to
an
convince the
application.
court.
They may make an application before the.
He's making an, that's a additional, whatever the happens, it's a different thing.
Because if-
wife, it was the,
But it will
at
appear.
the instance of the wife, she filed the application.
Right.
Now he says before this court that he wants
He is
to-
ready for the mutual divorce.
I will record that statement.
Yes.
in
My
the-
lord may record that statement. Both the parties are there. They will make an application before the family court at Bombay, and thereafter this matter may be listed.
But the appellant is in person. He went through the record and would submit that the ex parte proceeding should drawn by the family court is bad in law. He further submit that this ex parte order of decree of divorce be set aside, and he is ready and willing to file a 13B
No,
application
my lord, I'm ready to.
before the Bombay family court.
Yes.
Provided the wife agrees.
Yeah, wife has to make application because my lord, I will not move the.
This is
jointly. But
it has to be joint.
Yes, yes.
There is no applicant
But
or respondent.
for
in
FIR,
13B.
she has to withdraw from the concerned police.
That is that you decide.
So
My lord, may
so
decide
the
my
matter-
application on merit,
Yes.
then whatever will be the, because otherwise after this court, I will not be able to even approach her. From 2015, I am going police station, my house, NBWs are going, my mother has been picked, my father was serving in the protocol duties of the High Court judges of Madhya Pradesh, and he was picked up just because of her FIR, he didn't get promoted of his retirement, my mother is facing trial, just because of her influence, nothing else we are getting from her. This marriage we made, I used to take her to the coaching centers for 3 years.
Should we fix any date here?
Any date, ma'am.
In the meanwhile, whatever you try
My
to.
lord, I am not, don't want to communicate with her. That's my straightforward answer. No, I don't want to even see her. That is my say. Yes, just I don't want these allegations to continue. Even I am ready. There was a first motion in Delhi which was done. She can continue with the
Yes,
second
Mr.
motion of Delhi.
Paranjap, what date should we fix then?
If he wants to argue personally,
You
then
want to argue personally?
My lord, may decide my application today itself. My lord, whatever I don't want to
That
come
is
to
not your
Chhattisgarh, it is not
prerogative.
safe for
But
me
you
to
can't
come.
order that decide it today. We'll decide it. The court time is over. To think over, you can file the application here also.
yes.
File.
My lord, I have to go
In fact,
because I have a
whatever